from Shree Sadhbhaavana School, grade 6th C. Think learning through hands-on. It's very best.
Table and color shadow, diet chart.
We have completed 360-degree fan, Ajik fan, the acid basis and salts.
Gun, color shadow and table lamp. I wanna become an ISRO scientist. When we keep our hands near the light, it looks bigger, and when it's far, it looks smaller.
Instead of memorizing, instead of by hearting, so with hands-on experience they learn, and they are very active. Their participation is very active in it.
My favorite subject is science.
Today we are working on the project of photosynthesis. To become a researcher on water, a scientist will search more about the water, and they're giving some opportunities for us to perform this act because it rotates in 360 degree and we get the air from all the positions. When we learn by kids, we get more ideas and we can create more things.
Only like theoretical part means some will be like sleepy like that. If we go on practical, even slow learners also, they will involve in activities. They will involve and they will do the activity by themselves. So they'll get like they'll connect all those they will apply their knowledge in daily life also sometimes. Like if one example, if I consider, if I say simply circuit, students will not understand what is exactly circuit. If we go with this STEM kits and all, they'll get to know circuit means what is exact, circuit means what, how it works, everything they'll get to know easily and they're very happy.
So as a parent as well as parents, my son is studying in this school only. He is very excited to do all the activities. After coming to home, after teaching the teachers, alone he is ready to do it, all those things. Definitely, I'll suggest for the other schools, principals and the management, you go through this. It's very good for the students. The upcoming generation, definitely this need this science kits. Definitely they need.